Hi, this is Raj, your coach, CEO from Raj Hospitality Management and Raj Academy. Thank you very much for viewing my videos and also attending my classes. It's truly a motivation for me to see that I can give you the best in the coming days. My next session is on the 19th of June, which is on Saturday at 7 p.m, which talks about the first impression. So our session will talk about how to make the first impression good. That's what we are going to talk. Normally it takes only 3 to 5 seconds to make a good impression. What you learn in a school or maybe in an academy or maybe sometime in the job about the first impressions are always criticized, or maybe people try to say, no, this is not right, this is not right. So people try to improvise that always. But I feel that let's learn this way. What I say is that when you walk into the room, so how you can behave yourself, like there are 3 verbal, I will say that, non-verbal aspects of the first impression. Let's talk about the non-verbal aspect. The first is the eye contact. The most important, when a person comes in and when you look into a person, you should definitely look at him on his eyes, not looking here or there or maybe top, something like that. The second thing is smile, which talks about you. That's very, very important. As soon as you smile, there's so much magic happens in your face and a lot of magic happen in other person's face. So second thing is the smile. The third thing is the body language is very, very important. You can see a person may be communicating properly with you, but then his body language is very uneasy. He must be putting his hands on the pocket, sometimes he's standing like this, or he's just scratching his eyes, or so people sometimes are good, but then they lose onto the body language. So what will be your verbal aspect? That's the 3 non-verbal aspects I talked about. What is the verbal aspect? The verbal aspect is something like, you speak loud and clear. That's very, very important. Sometimes people speak very fast and people don't able to understand, and maybe sometimes they're not loud at all. So you have to be speak when you talk about a subject, speak very clearly and loudly. The second thing is that your first impression is most important aspect is your handshake. In the hospitality industry, we always keep talking about when you shake a hand, maybe I can have a separate class for that. When you shake a hand, it should be very firm, grip. That shake. It should not be something like you're just given a hand and you go out of it. No. When you shake a hand with a woman, it's a totally different way of doing it. So it's all different way. So shaking hand is the second thing, and the most important thing again will be in fact in Indian culture we say namaskar, or maybe Sri Lankan say aibua, and other people in Thailand they just do like this, and Japanese totally bored. So everyone have their own style. So you don't have to basically definitely say good morning, good afternoon and all that. You can always change your thing as per your culture. You can always change, and you can say namaskar. That's fantastic. As far as India is concerned, we can always do that. And your eye contact, your body language, your smile, and these are the most important thing which I feel that which really helps you out to be the first and best impression. So please join me on Saturday 19th of June at 7 p.m. and let's talk more interesting about the first impression. Thank you very much.